Looking for a smarter way to stay comfortable all year round? This sleek little lamp does it all. You can control everything with either the remote or the app, from adjusting the light brightness to changing the wind speed, even setting the timer. It's super convenient. With 6 speed options, you can keep it quiet and low while you sleep or kick it up to high for workouts and hotter days. Plus, it runs silently, so it won't disturb your rest or focus. And here's what makes it even better. It has reversible mode. So in the summer, it pushes cool air down to keep the room feeling fresh. In the winter, just reverse the direction to circulate warm air and make your heating more efficient. Whether it's day or night, hot or cold, this fan lamp adapts to you. Simple, smart, and totally in your control.